how to safely compost all food waste using the Ridan and Scotty's hot box. You will need a Ridan or a Jura or something similar for first stage composting and a Scotty's hot box to complete the process. First things first, you need to look at your waste. How much are you producing?
Topping and tailing of carrots here is very excessive. A lot of waste there.
Is there any way you can reduce this? UK schools throw away 80,000 tonnes of food waste every year. A sad statistic when there are so many hungry people in the world. The Ridan can take any food waste, but there are two golden rules. Golden rule number 1. You must add equal measures of wood chip and food waste. There is no way around this. Golden rule number 2. Turn the handle. Do this more than you think. You need to mix up the food waste with the wood chip and also bring in some air. In about 2 to 4 weeks, you'll begin to get some semi-composted material to add to the hot box. Top tips for success. If your Ridan is brand new, add some compost to kickstart the process. Do not overfill the first chamber. Air needs to move. Do not think you can add paper instead of wood chip. If you run out of wood chip, then you can add some semi-composted material from the other end until you get some more wood chip. If you are leaving the Ridan static for a few weeks, then you must empty it.
The whole trick of composting is the balance between water and air. So if you've got too little air, it goes smelly and horrible, and if you haven't got enough water, it just dries out and all the bugs die.